Hey Garden Guy here, Charlie Stocker, answering the questions that you have sent us from our website page, which is heygardenguy.com, and our Facebook page and YouTube page, which is Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker. We try and answer as many questions as we can. We put them on video, and then you can look at them at any one of those venues. So with that, we had a question regarding using household products in the garden. We're in a greenhouse right now, so we've got a lot of wind, so I'm gonna have to compete with the wind. But I think I'll talk loud enough that maybe you can understand me. But how do you use household products in the garden? And one of the main household products that people find are helpful is vinegar. Vinegar. Most of the vinegar you buy at the grocery store is 5% acetic acid. You can go now and find it at a lot of your box stores. That vinegar is actually 15 to 20% acetic acid, and that's really a good way to go. But what can you do with vinegar out in the garden? Well, number one, it is a great aversion for ants. If you see ants coming into the house, you can simply spray or pour that vinegar in that line, and you'll pretty well get rid of your ants. That's number one. If you have clay pots that have lime residue or soil residue on them, a washing of simply vinegar, 20% solution, is a great way to get rid of those lime deposits. Also, vinegar will get rid of weeds full strength simply in the cracks of your sidewalk or your brick or even walls. You can wipe 15 to 20% vinegar on those areas, and it will in fact kill any weeds or anything growing from that. So vinegar has a lot of uses for the outside. A second product that some people really overlook is blackstrap molasses. And yes, I did say blackstrap molasses. It's made from sugar cane, it's made from sugar beets, and it's the third byproduct of the process in developing the sugar from those items. Know that blackstrap molasses is alive and well and feeds microbes in the soil. Now, if you doubt me on that at all, I challenge you to use a 5% solution of blackstrap molasses on your house plants and see what a difference it makes. A third product that you have at home that you don't think of being able to use out in the garden is baking soda. Baking soda is nothing more than sodium bicarbonate, and the uses are endless in how you can use them in your garden. Roses have black spot and powdery mildew. There are those that say sodium bicarbonate or baking soda will work in terms of getting rid of black spot or powdery mildew on your roses. Another thing you can do is put it in the soil around your tomato plants to help stop blossom end rot. So we have products in our own house that can be utilized tremendously for the garden. And don't forget, vinegar, I forgot, is another good thing if you just cut some roses, you bring them on the inside, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar will actually cause roses to stay alive in your house for as much as 2 more weeks. So you don't always have to go to the box store. You don't always have to go and purchase things. You've got them right at your own fingertips in your house. This is Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker, raising your garden IQ one question at a time.